Good morning, Gianna.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about yourself?
Good, thank you.
Good. Thank you for taking the time to share your experience with us.
Absolutely.
So, thank you. First of all, how did you find us?
So years ago, I was training at this facility in Los Angeles, and I met this guy. His name is Dr. Chris. I moved to Vegas and had a couple issues, and I reached back out to him, and he told me he knows this amazing woman that's gonna literally answer all the questions that I have and can not cure, but just like assist me in my healing of my leg. And so I reached out to Dr. Quan, and I met you guys, and this is how I got referred, was from a doctor in California, and he referred me to here.
Amazing. Yeah. So what brought you in here then?
My left leg, I've had issues that I can't fully bend it anymore. It like swells up a couple times, and I just gone to 15 doctors before coming here, and not one doctor could give me an answer. No one can really tell me what was going on. So I was like, please, something work here. So I'm literally so happy that I was able to find Dr. Quan.
Okay, and what was your first impression of our office and team?
The first impression was everybody was so nice. When I literally walked through the door, there was a sign that said "Welcome, Gianna." So I was like, "Oh my gosh!" Like they knew I was coming. It was so sweet. So everyone was welcoming, so knowledgeable. It made me feel very comfortable, especially not knowing too much about this. It made me feel so comfortable knowing that like I'm in good hands, since everybody knows is giving me enough knowledge to feel comfortable and safe.
That's good. Thank you about that. And did you already know about Gonstead technique that our doctor used here?
No, I had no idea. This is the first time I've ever heard about it. So I'm happy to know about it now for sure.
That's good. What is your overall experience of Gonstead Chiropractic?
It's amazing. I literally look forward to coming here just to get realigned and knowledge about it. I feel safe, and I feel like in this realm of chiropractic, I feel like the most happy and like not nervous about anything. So I'm really happy that I was introduced to this in the first place. So yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. Anyway, this is all that we have. Thank you for sharing, Gianna.
Of course, absolutely. Thank you.
Open and close your knees like you're butterflying. Very good. Left side only, and right side only, and then left side only, and then right side, and then left side, right there. Yeah. Is that sore right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now we have 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there. Is that sore right there? 9.
A little bit, yeah.
And how about 10?
Yeah.
The 9 is sharper.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how about 4? 4 or your 9?
9.
Yeah, 9. 9 is adrenal glands. Okay, perfect. Now relax your arms. And then you're going to focus on everything.
Wait, my leg. Oh. I can't bend that all the way.
Okay, perfect. We're going to push this one though. Okay, right there. We have to set that tailbone. Do you have painful periods?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's because your tailbone is really out. Right there. Good. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Breathe in. All the way up. Good. Relax that leg. Bring the knee up a little bit towards your head. There you go.
Feels so good.
Now walk a little bit so your brain knows where that is. Okay, now you're going to lay down facing up. We're going to get those ankles. And then we're going to get T9. And then she's going to pull your knee.
Okay.
You're like, sure.
I'm like, okay.
Anything.
Here we go.
You're like, that's okay. That's good too. Right there. Is that tender? Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah. We got to fix that. Okay, relax everything. Soften your body. There you go. Home run. Right there too.
Yeah.
Okay, hang in there. We got to bring that back into place. Otherwise, you'll get bunions when you're older. Then you can't wear your heels.
No, I need to wear my heels.
There you go. Home run. Now take a walk. Now you can wear your heels. You're welcome.
Thank you. The most
People come for vanity reasons, you know?
This is crazy already.
Isn't it amazing? Like you
What?
can dorsiflex.
Why?
And then you're going to wear your
How?
heels and mess it up. You know? It's
This is
okay.
crazy.
That's a good patient.
It
They
feels
should
so
return.
good.
now go wear your heels. I'll see you on Monday. This is a lifetime patient.
No, seriously.
I'm just kidding. I'm glad you have better range of motion on your heels now. Okay, Gianna, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right there. Good. Good. 11, 10. I'm getting old. I can't see anymore. Breathe in. Good. Everything. Focus on your breath. No more. That's it.
Feels so good.
Good job. And then breathe. Where's Bianca? You need her on FaceTime?
No, I trust you.
Okay. I trust you too. Okay. This part, okay, so Rachel made, you're gonna hold her ankle and then you're gonna pull this way with your weight.
Okay.
There you go, perfect. And then so right here, Gianna, there's a meniscus. So this meniscus has popped out. We're gonna push it back in, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Pull a little bit more. There you go. It's gonna vacuum, it's gonna suck it. Right there.
Yep.
Perfect. Now, that's the worst.
I would be screaming,
I
Gianna.
know. Okay, relax as much as you can, okay? Because we gotta bring this knee back into place. That way you can walk upstairs, okay? Okay, relax all the way. Let it go. A little bit more. A little bit more. That's it. Whew. I work
I've
out.
gotten stronger.
Yeah, she didn't scream or anything. Yeah, okay, we're good.